Artlantis objects are 3D library parts used to enrich your scenes. They can represent various things such as furniture, 3D plants, objects with light sources, cars, people, etc. When we select them in the preview, the parameters appear highlighted in the Object Inspector, and they appear selected in the drawer as well. This drawer is special because it has two tabs. Each lists the objects in the scene, once hierarchically and once by layers. In the preview, the selected object can easily be moved or changed. Just click in the projected area of the sofa and move it. You can also rotate the object. Hover your mouse over the yellow dot to see the wheel. Now, if we wish to put it back and align it next to the wall again, we grab it from one of the projection edges and, while holding down the Shift key on the keyboard, we drag it closer to the wall. It will automatically detect the closest edge and turn parallel with it. A new object can be added with a simple drag and drop. Just open the catalog and select the object you need. Objects will detect a surface automatically and snap to it. If you need to adjust it, however, right-click and choose Apply Gravity. Once added to the scene, their shader or light source remain editable in the appropriate inspector. You can even change shaders on objects if you wish. In the 2D window, the objects are represented by green dots. The one selected is blue. You can also change its position and do similar things like rotate or change the size. By holding down the Alt key, you can copy the object and create another one. If you need multiple copies, hold down the Alt and Shift keys at the same time and drag a new object. It will generate a rubber line, a path along which the new items will be distributed. This path can be edited. Use the tangents or right-click on the path to add a new control point. This allows you to distort it even more. When you are finished, enter the number of additional copies by hitting the plus key on your keyboard and hit Enter. Artlantis will distribute and rotate the chairs in an intelligent manner around the table. Any object can be duplicated this way. In case of 3D plants, Artlantis will randomize them by rotation to avoid any repetition effect. The chairs appear listed in the drawer on both sides. They can be selected, and because they belong to the same object type, the inspector will highlight those parameters, which can be edited for all of them at the same time. Enrich your scenes with Artlantis objects.